1 spoonful a day, just a splash of extra virgin olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Could it be the simple health hack that your body has been waiting for? This duo isn't just kitchen magic, it's a powerhouse combination with incredible benefits for digestion, heart health, immune system, and even glowing skin. Stick around and we'll show you exactly why you need to start this daily ritual and how to pick the right olive oil to ensure that you're reaping the full benefits. So, are you ready to transform your health 1 spoonful at a time? Let's dive right in. Extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO for short, has been a staple of the Mediterranean diet for centuries, and for good reason. But what makes it so special? Extra virgin olive oil is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants like polyphenols, and vitamin E and K. If your extra virgin olive oil choice is loaded with polyphenols, you should feel it tingling in the back of your throat. These nutrients aren't just buzzwords. They actively reduce inflammation, combat oxidative stress, and help lower bad cholesterol levels while boosting the good kind. And here's a fun fact. Studies show that people who consume olive oil daily have a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular disease. But that's not all. Extra virgin olive oil also supports brain health. It reduces the risk of Alzheimer's and even helps stabilize blood sugar levels. It is a true superfood. Now let's talk about lemon juice, our zesty little hero in this dynamic duo. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps your body absorb iron more efficiently. But did you know that lemon juice also promotes liver detoxification, improves digestion, and balances your body's pH levels? Plus, it's a natural diuretic, meaning that it helps flush out toxins and reduces bloating. When combined with extra virgin olive oil, the acidity of lemon juice helps stimulate bile production, which is essential for digesting fats and keeping your digestive system running smoothly. So, what happens when you combine these two? It is pure magic. The healthy fats in olive oil allow your body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins from the lemon, while the antioxidants work together to fight inflammation and improve overall health. After taking these two powerhouses for a few weeks, here are some of the positive results you can expect. First off, an improved digestive health. Say goodbye to bloating, constipation, and sluggish digestion. Next up, a boost to your heart health with lower cholesterol and improved circulation. They will detox your body by supporting your liver function and flushing out toxins. Next up is enhanced skin health. Your skin will hydrate from within and fight signs of aging. Extra virgin olive oil and lemon regularly will also support your weight management. It'll boost your metabolism and curb your cravings. Starting this daily ritual is as easy as it gets. Just take 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil and mix it with the juice of half of a lemon. Consume it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning for maximum results. And don't worry, it only takes a few seconds, but the benefits will last all day. Please remember that not all olive oils are created equal. You need authentic extra virgin olive oil to get the full health benefits. Here's what to look for when picking your extra virgin olive oil. Check the label and look for cold pressed and extra virgin. Those terms mean that the oil is unrefined and retains its nutrients. Look for a harvest date because freshness matters. Always choose olive oil with a recent harvest date. Olive oil deteriorates with exposure to light, so always pick oils in dark bottles. To ensure the highest quality, look for seals like PDO, Protective Designation of Origin, or organic certifications. Please see the link in the video description below, which has a list of 78 certified olive oil brands for you to choose from. And avoid cheap olive oils with vague labels like light or pure. These are usually refined and lack the nutrients you're looking for. The health benefits of extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice are backed by science. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that the polyphenols in olive oil significantly reduced markers of inflammation. Another study showed that lemon juice's antioxidants help improve liver function and detoxification. Combined, these two create a natural anti-inflammatory cocktail for your body. While this combo is safe for most people, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor if you have specific health conditions like gallbladder issues or acid reflux. And remember, moderation is key. A single tablespoon of olive oil and lemon juice is all you need daily to enjoy the benefits. So, what are you waiting for? This simple and natural remedy is a game changer for your health. Whether you want to improve digestion, boost your energy, or keep your skin glowing, a spoonful of extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice could be the answer. Start your day with this powerhouse combination and take one step closer to your total health turnaround. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a health tip. Please let us know in the comments below if you will try this daily hack. We'd love to hear your results. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.